everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Instagram couldn't load results error. First of all, try switching between networks. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out some network issues. After that, restart Instagram. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then swipe Instagram away. Next, open your app store, search for Instagram and make sure to update your app to the latest version. Now if that does not work, go ahead and go to your settings, search for iPhone storage, scroll down, look for Instagram and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now if none of those work, just go ahead and restart your phone at last. Safety tip: turn off VPN, it causes search failures. Quick fix: log out and back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.